Hello dear friends, this one is a brush sketch of trees and rocks and mountains. The trees in detail, pine tree, how wonderful, pine tree. A lot of trees, all kinds of trees. It says 1,000 kind of trees. I do not know how many, but definitely a lot of trees, different kinds of rocks and mountains, and rock and mountain combined, trees, landscapes. It is so elegant and so antique view. So it's, if you are interested, let me know. I know this might be too complicated. Anyway, this is too complicated for me, at least. This is so unreachable. Wonderful. Thank you. Tree and Rocks outline book. Thank you.